Hello guys, welcome back to Good Short Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix iOS 15 iPhone stuck on verifying updates on your iPhone and how to fix this up. So let's get started. So first thing what you have to do is we have to follow these instructions. The first one and the foremost one what you have to do is just have to make sure that you're having enough storage on your iPhone. So you need around 5 GB remaining on your iPhone storage to update to iOS 15 from the respective one. So you just have to go over here on the settings. Now from here you just have to tap on general. From here you just have to tap on iPhone storage, and from here you have to check whether you are having enough memory, enough space. As you can see that here I'm having 63.4 GB remains from the 256 GB, so it's good to go. So if you're having any kind of trouble on the iPhone storage, then you just have to scroll down and see which all apps are consuming a lot of MB, the space, and you just have to delete it. You can go for delete option. Moving on to the next one, I would like to make you notice is the Wi-Fi will be an issue when you're going for this one. So as you can see that I've connected to the Wi-Fi. So Wi-Fi is the second issue and you have to fix this. So even if you have to try, we can talk about the fix in two different ways. You can turn off Wi-Fi and see connecting whether it's going to fix the issue or not. And if it's not working, you don't have to worry, I'm here to help you. What you have to do is reconnect the Wi-Fi once again, and you just have to navigate to general, and from here you just have to scroll down and you have to click on transfer or reset iPhone. Now from here you have an option called reset, you just have to tap on it. Now from here you just have to go for reset network settings. Once you have done with the reset, you just have to go back and try to reconnect back to the Wi-Fi over here. And you have to try to get back to here, and you have to see the issue has to be fixed, or else even if the issue remains, you just have to try connecting back to various Wi-Fi's which is available, or you can use your mobile data and see whether the issue is solved or not. And moving on to the next solution, I would like to make you notice is imagine that you just go to the iOS update over here, and when you're trying to go for the update, you're having the most probably you will be having a stuck over here. So here comes the situation when you're completely stuck. Most probably you will not be able to go back, as well as you are stuck here, so you'll not be able to go back to the home screen, or you can't able to tap on anything else and you're completely stuck. So from here what you have to do is, if you're having such situations, this is really important. You just have to go to force restart, and you can go to force restart by pressing over here in the volume down button followed by the power button for until you see the Apple logo, and this is what you have to do. Moving on to the next solution, the last one I would like to make you notice is you have to connect your iPhone to the parallel PC or laptop, and you have to update or check for the updates on the iTunes, and you just have to update it, and you have to see whether the issue is solved or not. So these are the possible workarounds which you have to try when you're having iOS 15 iPhone stuck on verifying update and how to fix this up. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.